Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful bracelets. They're quick and easy and beginner friendly. Okay, so let's start off with a little over 2 inches of wire. If you don't have a ruler, you can just place the wire on your wrist to see how long you need it to be. After you get the best size for your wrist, you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to make a loop with one of the ends. As you can see, I always make a mark on my round nose pliers so both sides can be the same when I'm ready to loop the other side. Now it's hammer time. All you have to do is take your neon pliers and go over the wire slightly. When you use the other pliers, only go over the very end because the wire will flatten out and then it can't fit inside of the gemstones. Now it's time to add on the gemstones. Clearly I love green gemstones, jade, malachite, all of it. But for video purposes, I'm going to start using different type of gemstones. But yeah, this is the time that you just add on the gemstones just how you like it. Once you're done placing your gemstones, now it's time to make the loop on the other side. After that, all you need to do is hammer the end one more time, and remember to just be gentle because you do not want to break any of the gemstones. Now I'm going to use some scraps of a chain that I have. I don't believe in throwing away anything, so these are just some pieces that I have left over, and all I'm going to do is open the loop and attach the chain to it. Now it's time to add on your jump rings and your clasp. I usually use 2 jump rings, but this time I only use 1. So you know I like to show 2 at a time, so this time I'm going to show you this bracelet with a different type of chain and a different gemstone. So like before, we're going to start off with a little over 2 inches of wire and we're going to make our first loop. Just to give you a different idea, you can also take a smaller gauge wire and wrap a design in between the gemstones. For example, every 3 chips you wrap a wire around. I think that'd be a cute design. I might make it. If that's something you guys are interested in me doing, please let me know in the description box. But for now, let's finish this bracelet. Here I tried my best to measure out the few scraps that I had left, but both of them are in between 2.5 and 3 inches. The only difference between this bracelet and the last bracelet is that I use jump rings to attach everything. I usually use 2 jump rings on each side, so I suggest you do it that way, but this time I only used 1. And after this step, all the other steps are completely the same. Oh, I forgot to mention, depending on the chain you have, you might need to add a jump ring onto the end just so that the clasp will have something to hold on to. But if you don't need an extra jump ring at the end, you don't have to put one. Like right here, for example, I didn't need to put a jump ring, so I didn't. But if you have a smaller chain, you might need to add a jump ring. Thank you guys for watching my video. I do have more videos coming next week, so please make sure that you like and subscribe. See you soon.